Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have November's California Found. Do you want to know what's inside this box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my California Found for November just arrived. I'm so excited to see what products from California are delivered to my door. If you guys follow me, you know I'm a California girl, like true California girl, but currently living in a Florida world. So this box just holds a special place in my heart because I feel like it's kind of a little bit of home delivered to me. And it's amazing because they find really cool products from different artisans in California. So everything in this box is all made by California artisans. So let's get in here and see what we have. Cut the tape. That's like electrical, not electrical. That's like Dr. tape almost. It looks like. And so it says, hello, sunshine. And there we go. They give you cards that go over each individual product in here as well. And then when you cut the tape, because there's a California poppy, that's a California flower. When you cut the, not tape, but remove the sticker, it's all nicely packaged just like that. That's the presentation. So let's go ahead and dive in here. We'll go with the first thing that we just saw. This says Robin Rhodes. You can use code CAFOUND15 for 15% off your order at robinrhodes.com. This is a Ronnie ring in silver and it retails for $45. So this is a silver ring. That's different. The way that it's like just like two lines, one smaller than the other one. And it looks like it is adjustable. Yes, it is adjustable. So I would probably wear it just on the top of my finger because let's see. Actually, oh, it does fit. It does fit. And I don't have to adjust it. I would have to adjust it on any other finger, but I kind of like the looks of how these type of rings fit on this part of my finger, but I can always just slip it right on my pinky as well. So there's that. It's like two lines, one's longer than the other one, but it is silver, valued at $45. So we got this. There's that one more time. And let's keep on going. So next thing that I see is Cali Vibes Candle Company, all natural soy wax, hand poured in California. And it's called mistletoe. I wonder if it smells like Christmas. Let's see. It does. It reminds me of Christmas. It smells kind of like a winter, like the fern of a tree, like a Christmas tree kind of. That smells good. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be burning this. I'm probably gonna wait. I'll probably burn this on Thanksgiving when I'm having Thanksgiving at my house this year. My very first time cooking for Thanksgiving. 39 years old, first time cooking a holiday meal myself. So I'm really excited and terrified at the same time, but I'm looking forward to it. This is an 8-ounce travel candle in mistletoe, retails for $18. You can use the code CAFOUND20 for 20% off your first online purchase at www.calivibescandleco.com. And that is amazing. There's their little, looks like their little store. It says free smells on that little thing. That's cute. Free smells. I wish you could smell this. It does, it smells kind of like a Christmas tree. I like that. I think I'm gonna wait and save this and burn this on Thanksgiving because I already have my Christmas tree up. I already have all my Christmas decorations up. I have my happy wax that smells like a Christmas tree. So I think this is what I'm gonna be burning for Christmas. So I'm excited to have that. And again, that's valued at $18. So let's see what else we have in here. So this is wrapped up and they always wrap everything up very well. I don't think I've ever had an item broken from this box ever. They wrap their boxes so good. So this product right here, it says Vitamin C Face Balm, Beauty Balm with fruit oils and shea. There's that. This is handcrafted artisan aromatherapy skincare. This is valued at $24. You can use code CA/found/10 for 10% off your purchase. Free shipping on orders over $48. www.shop lenus.com. There's the name of the company right there. So this is a vitamin beauty balm. I see a lot of ingredients, but I don't see like a how-to. Let's see here. This company does cleansers, toners, face masks, scrubs, and balms, and they're all formulated with clean and effective base of aloe vera, plant oils, and local raw honey, and infused with essential oils. The Beauty Balm is a unique blend of deeply nourishing botanical oils, vitamin C plus E plus B, and organic shea butters. Use this luxurious multi-purpose balm to nourish dry skin, relieve minor rashes, and even cleanse the skin. Huh, let's get this opened. I don't smell a whole lot of essential oils because there's a lot of ingredients on this list, but ooh, it's very creamy when you dabble into it. It's very creamy. You can just stick your finger right in there basically. I smell a little bit more of essential oils now that I've rummaged through it, but let me just stick it on my hand. It makes it nice and shiny, silky smooth. So that is really neat. And again, this is valued at $24. So let me close that back up. Now, let's see, next item we have in here is, there's a little air plant. All right, you guys, we have an air plant. Let's see. Oh, it's like, wait a minute. There's string. What did I do here? There's like, hold on. There's some string. Here's the air plant. I'm gonna have to read and see what I do with this little booger, but that is very cute. Let's see here. Let's see what's inside of this. Maybe this is what we put it in. Oh, it says DIY jellyfish ornament. How cute. It's a jellyfish. It definitely reminds me of the ocean if it's jellyfish, because California, I loved going to the water. I didn't like going in the water, but I liked being at the water to look at everything. And this is a shell. That is such a pretty shell. Look at it. It's on it. I was like, what is that little, like that little white thing? But it's on the actual shell. So this value is at $23. And let me see, what do I do? DIY air plant jellyfish by In Succulent Love. How cute. And you, I gotta make this. Look at how cute it's gonna look, like hanging. Oh my gosh. Okay, so you wrap the fishing line around the base of the air plant through the tentacles, which would be the part of the air plant, through the tentacles, triple knotting it. Not double, not quadruple, triple knotting it. Slide the other end of the fishing line through the top opening from the sea urchin, this little guy. Gently pulling it through the top of the air plant is dangling out of the urchin's opening. Tie the fishing line in a loop so that the urchin can be hung. I've got to try this. Oh my goodness. That is adorable. Look. Oh my gosh. Mist the air plant once a week with a gentle mist. Keep in bright light location, but out of direct sunlight. So it gave you these little cards. One of them tells you how to care for it. One of them tells you how to make it. And then one of them is their business card. And again, this is all valued at $23. So then basically it's going to end up hanging like this. How cute. Oh my gosh. So I can't wait. Well, I would have already made it by the time you see this, but that is so cute. Oh my goodness, that is adorable. That is adorable. We got another succulent plant one time, but it's an actual succulent plant. It wasn't an air plant where you're gonna make it as into like a jellyfish. That is adorable. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to make that. That's gonna be so cute. Okay, so then we should have one more item in here, you guys. And this is the last item in here, and this is Bella Mia Baby, a scrumptious collection of baby luxuries. Baby luxuries? I'm not a baby. Let's see. Okay, so this is a scarf. This is valued at $25, and let's see what it looks like. I like the way it feels. So I gotta tell you, so the owner of the company said that there was 2 different colors and wanted to know if I had a preference. So the first time she said it, I didn't get like a spoiler or anything, so I didn't know what she was talking about with the scarf. And then I get a message and it says chocolate or honey. It just says chocolate or honey. Now, mind you, this is 24 hours later. It says chocolate or honey. And I'm like, ooh, chocolate or honey. Well, I'm on a diet right now, so no chocolate. So I guess honey. And I wrote that. I was like, I guess honey, because I'm trying to be on a diet right now, so no chocolate. So if I have a choice, then honey. And she wrote back. And she was like, no, dear, it's the colors of the scarf. And I'm like, well, all you said was chocolate and honey. Like, what am I supposed to think? Chocolate or honey? I didn't say, look, so there's the 2 different colors. You get chocolate or honey. But I was like, chocolate or honey, chocolate or honey. I guess honey. Let's just see what the honey is. It was the color. And I'm like sitting here and I went straight to food. Like I told you, that's why I'm on a diet. I was like, what do you mean chocolate or honey? That was so funny. I busted up laughing. And she was like, oh my gosh, I am laughing. I'm like, you don't even know. I'm like busting up laughing. Like, you say chocolate or honey? You said chocolate or honey? Like I said honey. So she sent me the chocolate one, which is the dark brown, which is definitely better when it comes to those 2 colors as my preference then. And yeah, I do like that this is not a big thick scarf because, you know, your girl here in Florida doesn't need any thick scarves, but this is thin enough where I can use it as an actual, like an accessory, like more of a fashion statement. Not, I'm trying to keep my body or neck warm because I don't need that. But this is very, very thin. It is very, very nice. I actually like the way this feels. I like the way that it looks. So I will definitely hang on to this, and for those few days that get kind of cold here, I can use this as a fashion accessory. That's right. But there we go. See how pretty. It's so soft. I wish you guys could feel this. This is just very, very soft. It reminds me of like those old like teddy bears that you could get before now they start making everything so cheap. That just felt so soft, but I don't know what material that is, but that is definitely a very, very soft thing. So this is really good for a November box because you're starting to get chilly in some places. It did get down to the 60s here a few days ago, and I was loving every bit of it. Now it's back up in the 80s, but you know, we're waiting for it to get back down again because we don't get very many cool days. I wish we did. I really, really wish we did, but we don't. So there's that. So that is everything that came in this month's box, you guys. So we got this really, really nice feeling, very soft scarf. We have a face balm, or any place that you need a little bit of hydration. So it's a bit of pretty much an all over balm is what it says, even though it says vitamin C face balm. We have this amazing smelling mistletoe candle that I can't wait to burn on Thanksgiving. We have this silver ring right there, you know, right there. And I can't wait to make my jellyfish. I can't wait. That's the cool thing about these air plants, because they're air plants. All you do is spray and mist them. Like, they're very hard to kill, but they're very easy to take care of. And you can put them anywhere. Like, a lot of people like will actually glue them, hot glue them into a shell or on a piece of wood or whatever. So this is really cool that I'm gonna be able to hang it upside down. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. That's gonna look so cute. So you guys, today is Friday. You're probably gonna be watching this tomorrow, which is Saturday. And I'm so excited because tomorrow I'm going to the tattoo shop and I'm getting a tattoo of Vienna on my arm right here. I can't wait. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait. It's gonna be like watercolor. I'm hoping it's going to come out like I'm wanting because I'm so excited. So that one I'm going to do like a how I care for my tattoos and how I wrap it with the Sanoderm and how I use the Sanoderm and how all of that. So once it's all healed up, I'll put all that together and drop in a video. So there was a few of you guys that wanted to know how the Sanoderm is used, how I remove it, how I replace it, what I do with it, that kind of thing, that plastic that I have on my tattoos. So I'm going to do a full review on the Sanoderm and how I care for my tattoos. So if you're interested, if you were one of the ones that wanted to see that, it's coming very soon because tomorrow I'm going to be getting a tattoo. So within the next probably week or two, I'll have it completely healed and I'll have that video up for you guys. So there's that. There's that. There's that. I cannot wait. I'm really, really, really excited, you guys. So that is everything that came in this month's box. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think about it? I am really excited about this little air plant. The candle smells amazing. This is super, super soft. We have a ring and then we have a face balm. So it's an amazing box. They always find things from artisans you would never know were even out there. And I love that they support smaller businesses. Now they do give back every month. And on one of these cards, they tell us who they're giving back to for this particular month. So welcome to California Found, November 2019 collection. Happy 2nd anniversary to us. Oh, happy anniversary. That's awesome. There too. Happy 2-year anniversary. This month, if you've noticed, we've changed the way we mail your box by eliminating the padded envelope. And I did notice that it's normally in a mailer bag that was removed. This is the first time I've had to cut the tape. So they eliminated the padded envelope in which they were mailing the boxes previously in. We take great care in packaging your box so that it arrives to you in beautiful condition on the inside, even if the outside is tossed from the journey. A box with a few scuffs is worth it to save the world a whole lot in landfill, which that is very, very true. They do, and I just already said that earlier, they do so good with packaging their box that they really didn't need the outer label or the outer envelope just to help the box. So that's really cool that they're doing that to save the environment. You'll see more changes to our design in the future months as we strive to bring you a box that is both lovely to receive and respectful to the planet as well. So that's amazing. We're excited to bring you this month's collection of gorgeous California artisan-made products. To celebrate our anniversary, this month's box features some of our very favorite makers from the past years. You're going to love it. Now, this one doesn't say who they're donating to. Normally, this one tells me if they're doing it to save the beaches or this or that, but they always do donate part of their proceeds every month to different causes, which is an amazing thing. Now, if you guys don't know about California Found, they are $49 a month, and it's shipping is an addition. They do ship to the US, which is $7.95 for shipping, $16.95 for Canada, and $23.95 for international. And they ship between the 25th and the 30th of every month. It renews monthly and you can cancel at any time. And they find, again, different artisans, local small businesses from California, all from California, and they put them in here. And you normally get like some type of like a jewelry item or a paper good. We've got like rubs and different things like for cooking. Like we get so many different things from this box. It's just an amazing box, and it's always so neat and unique that we get. So I love this box. So that is everything. Again, comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.